You know, folks, you gotta be careful with your emotional around here, or you'll get yourself in an awful mess. But just when things go bad, things that see you through. Well, call me. Oh, it's Uncle Mary.
Remember, we must always believe in our wishes, for they are the magic in the world. Now, let's all put our hearts together and make